Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because today's video is all about Balsam Hill. I'll be sharing how I picked out the most perfect Christmas tree as well as some of their other really beautiful decor items. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I do want to thank Balsam Hill for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get right into it. For my tree this year, I knew that I needed to have one that was a little bit taller than the one that I had last year because we did buy a new house and our ceilings are a lot taller. So I headed over to the Balsam Hill website and I'm going to be going over to their artificial Christmas trees, and here it narrows it down by so many different categories so that you can pick the tree that fits your space. So I knew that I wanted to have a 9-foot Christmas tree. So I'm going to be going to the height and then just choosing the option that is the 8 to 9 feet trees, but you can pick whatever option is best for you. Then I wanted to narrow it down a little bit more. They have so many options that you can fill out. I started with the light type because I knew that I only wanted to have the clear LED lights on the tree that I'm going to be choosing. So that's the option I chose. They do have more options if you're not into the clear lights. And then also for the height, I went ahead and just made sure that it was the 9 feet that was selected. For the tree shape, I have to have a slim tree in the space that I'm going to be putting my Christmas tree, so I went ahead and selected that. And then now that I have all of my categories narrowed down, I just went through and looked at all of the trees and found the one that I liked best, which was the Stratford Spruce. I just think it is so beautiful. When I received the tree, it did come in 2 separate boxes. The first box has the thank you for the purchase envelope. In the envelope, it has a quick setup guide as well as some assembly and care instructions. In box number 1, it came with this red storage bag to store your tree, as well as sections 4 and then also section 1 of the tree. It also contains this red Balsam Hill bag, and inside the bag was the tree base with some extra tools in case you need to replace any of the light bulbs on the tree, as well as 2 protective gloves, and then also some LED clear replacement light bulbs. Then in box number 2, it came with a second storage bag as well as sections 3 and section 2 of the tree. I'm now going to start putting everything together. I placed my tree base down, and then I'm using the 3 screws that go in the base to hold section 1 in when I place it in the stand. So here I'm placing section 1 in and then section 2 on top. I'm then undoing the Balsam Hill ribbon that holds the branches together, letting all the branches fall, and then I'm just going to be fluffing up the branches so that it looks nice and full. I did not use the gloves this time around just because the branches are so soft. It really wasn't necessary to use the gloves. And then I'm just continuing to do that for the rest of the sections of the tree until I have my tree shaped and put together exactly how I want it to be. I'm loving the Stratford Spruce tree so much. I love how realistic it looks. It has over 4,400 tips with 1,000 lights, and the natural green tips just give it that ultra realistic look and feel, and you can just see how beautiful the tips are. For the ornaments on my tree this year, I wanted to do a silver and gold theme. And when I saw this 12-piece silver Mercury glass ornament set, I knew I had to have it. They are just absolutely stunning, and they come in a few shapes and sizes and a few different colors as well. And then I also picked up this 24-piece golden glow ornament set. I thought the gold of these and the shimmer would be perfect with the silver Mercury glass set. And as you can see, they come in a few shapes and sizes as well. I also picked up this winter Pinecone tree pick set. I thought this was just going to be such a great element to add to the tree to really add some texture and just place these in any of the open spaces between the ornaments. I'll also be adding this platinum ribbon and this gold Bethlehem star to the top of my tree. And then for the base, I picked out this metallic Basketweave collar, and it has a 32-inch base, and I just think it would go perfect with the silver and gold theme. Now I'm going to start putting everything together on my tree. I always start with my ribbon, and as you can see, I'm cutting the ribbon into pretty large sections because I think it just works better when you're placing the ribbon in the tree if you cut it into sections. So then here I'm just going to be placing one end of the ribbon tucked in the back of the tree, having it go kind of along the front of the branches, and then tucking the other side back into the tree. And once I have all the ribbon on, I then take all of my ornaments and just start placing them on the branches until I get it perfect the way I want it. Once the ornaments are on, I then took these Pinecone tree picks and I'm just placing those in between the ornaments where there's any open spaces. I also ended up using these sugared or like champagne picks. I got these last year from Balsam Hill, but I just thought that they would go perfect with the theme of the tree this year. So I added those and any of the other open spaces on the tree. Then all that was left was to add the gold star to the top of my tree and then add the tree collar to the bottom base. And this is what the tree looks like when it's all finished and decorated. I love how it looks together with the silver and gold, and I am so amazed with the quality of the tree as well as all of the ornaments and picks that went into creating this beautiful, elegant tree. Not only did I use Balsam Hill to create my beautiful tree this year, but I also got a few more of their holiday decor pieces to add through my home. I picked up these red sugared berry picks. Originally, I was going to put them in my tree, but then switched it up and decided they would just be the perfect pop of red in some of my arrangements with the greenery that I have, and I put them in some of my vases with greenery, and it just looks so beautiful with that extra pop of red. This year in my new home, I have a fireplace, and I was so excited to finally have a mantle to decorate. So when I saw this cedar woods garland, I knew it would be the perfect piece for my mantle. The branches are just so fluffy, and I just love how full it is. This is what my mantle looks like decorated with the garland, and I just love how it turned out. I also used one of those cedar wood garlands over one of my display cabinets in my living room for a touch of greenery. And because I love the Cedar Woods garland so much, I went ahead and got the 24-inch Cedar Woods garland wreath. It's so fluffy and full, and it comes with battery lights. It takes 3 AA batteries in the battery pack, and I ended up adding some of those red sugared berries that were from the Balsam Hill pick, and then I also created my own bow for the top using that platinum pleated ribbon, the same that I used throughout my tree. For my front porch this year, I wanted to add these 2 3.5-foot winter evergreen trees. They're beautiful, and they come with battery-powered lights that take 3 AA batteries to power. Comes with these black, elegant bases for each tree. Super easy to assemble. You just place the pole of the tree into the base, fluff the greenery, and turn the lights on, and this is what they look like. Super easy to put together and such a cute touch of Christmas for any porch. And for the last item that I got from Balsam Hill this year, it's this 30-inch winter evergreen wreath. It does have battery-powered lights. This one takes 3 C batteries to power the batteries, and it is a little bit of a larger wreath. It's so fluffy and beautiful. I ended up adding one of my own red bows, and it's perfect for my larger front door. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I do want to thank Balsam Hill for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are wanting to order anything, be sure to use my code BHCHRISTINA to receive $50 off of any orders of $250 or more. I'll also have a link down to everything in the video down in my description box. I want to thank you again so much for watching.